Welcome to GStocky. In this tutorial, let's explore the Inventory and Products module. Let's start with the Products section. Here, you'll find a full overview of your product listings and details. At the top, there's a search bar. You can search by product name or title. You can also filter by inventory status, in stock, out of stock, or all products. There's also a time filter to help you view products added in a specific period, such as the last month. Need to upload in bulk? Just download the Excel template, fill it out, and upload it again. It's that simple. You can also download a PDF list of your products for sharing or printing. Now let's add a new product. Click on Add New Product, then fill in all the required information like name, price, quantity, and more. You can easily edit existing product details such as quantity or pricing at any time. Clicking on a product reference opens a detailed view. Here you'll see the inventory history, as well as related quotes, deliveries, invoices, attachments, and more. Now let's move to the category section. Here you can add, edit, or delete any category. Great for organizing your products into logical groups. Next, let's explore the warehouses section. You can create, edit, or remove warehouses based on your storage locations. This helps you track exactly where each product is located for better inventory management. Et voilà, that's how you manage your products and inventory inside GStocky.